guys, I welcome to you on my YouTube channel Engineer Mohd Suleman. In this video we are going to talk about predecessor in Microsoft project 2016. What is predecessor? These are defined relationship between two successor tasks. For better understanding, let's have a practical approach to a project.
In this video we are going to talk about predecessor. So what a predecessor? To get better understanding, let's assign him with a few tasks. So I will go to the task name, enter the task name as A and I hit enter. As you can see under the task mode, it is manually scheduled. So I will go to manual schedule. After that we will take task B, enter task C, enter task D, enter. After filling the column of task name, I will go to the duration. 1 day. I'm taking manually 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. After the duration, we have to set the start date. How will I start my project, or how will I start my task? So a task when I am starting. Okay. So 6th of July I will start my A task. Okay. After the duration we will take same day similarly, and these. So as you can see, I want to start my every task on 6th of July. Okay. As you can say, every task will start from same days. So today we are going to discuss about predecessor. What is predecessor? So predecessor takes a test ID, not a task name. So here, if you don't know about the predecessor, so I'm telling you what is the predecessor. Predecessor is the first side of the successor, and B predecessor A. So like as if I enter the value of A, this will not get A. So the Microsoft project is giving the message type only positive, hold for simple relation between tasks in the same project. Okay. So here the Microsoft project will keep only number. So if I am taking the value of B, so B predecessor is 1. Okay, you can see changing in the bar chart in my Gantt chart. This is called Gantt chart. Okay, I am taking the value of C, predecessor of A. Here I am also 1. Hit the enter. Okay. So both of the tasks will start same days. After finishing A, these will be start. So I am taking the value of D. So D's predecessor is 3. Okay, you can see most of changing in the Gantt chart. Okay, if I want to change in my Gantt chart, so I am taking the value of C, predecessor of B. So here I will type 2. Okay, this value is also changed. Okay, so here I will enter 3. Okay, these are the changing date. You can see the finishing date automatically changed. This is the most important factor, that automatically everything will take automatically. So this is our predecessor channel. Please like this video and share to your all friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.